welcome. This is Aastha Chopra. You're watching Business Today. Well, today BCCL has finally closed call for the IPO announcement, and we have very special guests with us, Mr. Manoj and Mukesh Agrawal, who is the Director of Finance and the CMD for the same company. Sir, congratulations on your announcement for the IPO, first of all.
Thank you.
Thank
you. Please guide us that how the proceeds will work and what is the main objective of the IPO? How should the investors think like that?
Actually, the BCCL is a 50-year-old company, and it's already a board is there to bring more corporate governance, transparency. The objective is to bring list this company in the stock exchange. The proceeds will be utilized for the diversification program of the Coal India Limited.
Okay, so sir, can you explain us more like what percentage will go into the capex or maybe the debt reduction, or how it will go across the sectors?
Actually, there are the two things, madam.
Okay.
BCCL projected profits are more than 2,000 crore rupees every year, and their capex requirement is around 1,000 crore rupees per year for the next 5 years. So after capex, they will have a 2,000 crore rupees profit plus 400 depreciation, sufficient money to serve the dividend also to the shareholder.
Okay.
So they company does not require anything from the holding company for the capex purpose. This entire proceeds of the will go to the Coal India diversification program.
Okay. So, CMD sir, coming to you, what will be the growth strategies of this company? First of all, it's a major sector and one of the booming growth sector for India as well. So, what are the growth strategy company going forward?
First of all, you have to know what is BCCL, Bharat Coking Coal Limited. We are the prime main producer of the coking coal. We are producing 58.5% coking coal of the total India coal production. And presently we are, last year we have done 40.5 million ton of coal, and gradually year to year up to 29-30 our production growth will be up to the 54 million ton. And another factor is our washery. Presently we are having washery, 5 washery, 13.65 million ton capacity, and up to 29-30 it will just double, around 27 to 28 million ton. And you know the value and importance of the washery. After washing of the coking coal, it goes to steel, and it is raw material for the steel. In that way, our coal production will be also in a improving order, and washery also.
Yeah, so that's a backbone typically for the Indian economy as well.
Yeah.
So, what are the various steps we have to take for reductions of the import and expansion of the exports as well? So, how are we in that channel?
Actually, we are producing, as I told earlier, 40.5 million ton last year, and we will produce up to 54 million ton. And this way, this 14 million difference will straight go to the washery, and washery to steel zone. If it will go to steel, then clean coal production and supply to the steel factory, it will be more. And in that way, import of the coking coal from the Australia-like country, it will reduce, and it will also improve our economy.
That's great. So, Mukesh, so coming to you as well, what was the company's EBITDA margin in FY24, and what can be the margin range should the investors model post the IPO? What do you think?
After the IPO, we are expecting the EBITDA in the range of 3,000 plus crore rupees.
Okay.
And it will go up to the 4,500 crore rupees by 2028-29. This is the range we are expecting.
So, sir, also, what will be the precise production target for FY27?
It will be 47 million ton.
47 million ton.
26-27.
Okay, sir. So, sir, just last question for the investors as you're getting IPO announcements. So, what will be your message to the investors as well as to comply with the company?
I would like to tell that present scenario, worldwide coal production is being reduced and it is being replaced by the renewable energy. But we are as the prime coking coal producer, and coking coal demand will never come down worldwide or at the national level, because it is directly attached to steel industries, and demand of the steel will never come down.
Absolutely.
So our coking coal will never come down in the sense of demand.
I will add one thing.
Sure, sir.
Actually, every company needs two things: raw material and the demand.
Yes.
And this company is blessed in this way that they have a reserve of 100 crore, 100 years. And the demand, all the steel industries are situated within the vicinity of 100 to 200 kilometers. So that gives a logistic cost economics.
Yes.
That's why every million ton of the coal will be pulled out. So there is no scarcity of the demand.
Yeah, well,
So it
the
is
reserves-
blessed with the reserves and the demand.
Actually, demand is too high, but supply is less.
Yeah.
So how we will improve to meet the actual supply demand.
Well, the reserves was a very
Our reserves is 8 billion ton, and our production is 40 million ton. If it is 50 million ton, then also it is more than 100 years reserve.
100 years. That's a good news for India as well, being in such a good hands in the company. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for speaking to us. It was our pleasure to have you on our channel. Thank you so much, and
Thank
many,
you.
many
Thank you,
congratulations.
thank you, sir. So nice.
Thank you.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.